So this measures 11 inches by 16 inches, and this other black material measures 11 inches by 6 inches. So I took that main material aside and worked on this. So I had to fold this, and I went in by 2.5 inches and came down by 2.5 inches. And then I grabbed my French curve and plotted this line, as you can see. I don't want the lower part to be straight just like that, so I had to curve it a bit. And then the next thing to do is to cut. So this is the outcome. And I had to place it on this main material. And then to get the position where to place it, I had to go up by 6 inches, as you can see, and marked 6 inches and marked also. And then that was the point I positioned it, and then went ahead to sew. So this is what we have after sewing. So I added zipper at the front of this bag, and I went down by 9 inches, came down also by 9 inches just to get a straight line. I drew the line with my ruler, and this is what I have. And then to centralize the position of the zipper, I went in by 2.5 inches from this side, and from the other side 2.5 inches, just to centralize the zip position. So I had to cut through like so. And at the end, please make sure you have this triangular cutting, just as you can see me cut. Make sure you don't cut it straight all the way. At the ending, make it a triangular stuff like this. So I went ahead and introduced my gum so I can easily fold it. So I had to bend it and use my hammer to hit it so it can be in place. And I had to do this to the other side too. So if we want to position our zip, this is what it will look like after positioning it. But for us to put it, we need to add the lining. And this is the lining. And then we place it like this. In case you don't know how to add a zipper like this, just say something in the comment section so I can make a video on this in particular. So this is what we have after making this zipper. This is what we have. So I don't want the bag to be straight like this. So what I did, I had to curve it with my French curve. So I have this curved bag. So curve, and I'll need to cut it out. So this is what we have. I had to take the circumference of the bag Just measure it round. And what I got, I used it to cut the base and the zipper part of the bag. So that's it. The base and the zipper part. And also, I use it to cut the other part of the bag too, the back of the bag. So this is the back of the bag. I had to put the handle, the back handle, and this is how I did it, using the belt, 2 inches belt. I had to sew. And I went ahead to add this hook at the down, just to put the belt in place. It's very important to do so. So to fix it, I used my adjuster like so. This what you have. And then I have the front and the back fixed. So I had to cover up everything with my lining. So this is what I have after doing that. And then I went ahead to prepare my zipper and the base. In case you don't know how to do this, also comment on the comment section and tell me to make a video on how to do this. So this it after making it, and I had to centralize it by notching on the 4 corners. So this is it. Notch, notch, notch. And also I notch the back too. In case you've watched this video to this point, it means you like what you're making here. Please do not forget to subscribe if you've not done that yet. And do not forget to like our video. Give us a thumbs up. It helps this channel to grow. Give us a thumbs up, share to your friends so that more people can know about this channel and about what we do here. So after notching, I had to place it notch to notch, just like this, and I went ahead and sew it round after that. So this is what we have after sewing round. So I'll do that also to the back of the bag. And sew round too. Our bag is almost ready. So the next thing to do is to tape the rough edges of this bag with our bias. Just sew round. This is our bag. Our bag is ready. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like. Do not forget to subscribe if you are yet to do so. Bye-bye.